ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. And this video is particularly most importantly for the children. Yes, and children, this is for you, and if you have already watched the tenses series and everything, this will be much more easier. If you have not watched also, that's completely fine. We are going to frame the sentences now. For example, I know that most of the children are struggling in framing the sentences, right? So what you have to do, one input, one hint or trick or magic that I can say, what you have to do not think in English. So think the sentence in your mother tongue. Okay, that will be much more easier. If your mother tongue is Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Bengali, Odissi, Hindi, Urdu, whatever it is, think in that language, then you have to translate to the Kannada. It will be much easier. If you know only English, then take help of your parents. Learn your mother tongue, then start learning the other languages. It is very important, Makla, to learn the mother tongue. Okay, na? So let's start. For example, I know the word Nai. I know the word Nai. Nai means dog. Now I have to frame a few sentences using Nai. I don't know how to use tenses. I don't know how to use past tense, present tense, future tense. I don't know nothing of it. But I know few words. For example, Beku. Beku means want. And most importantly, Makla, please do learn the pronouns, which means I, we, he, she, my, you, your, his, her. This is very important. Okay, so there is a Kannada Grammar playlist in Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. Please do learn that one. Okay, or else you can also buy the book and do let me know in the comment section if you want to purchase the book. So ivaga I know the word Beku. Okay, and I want to say now I want dog. So I is Nanu, right? So here I can't use Nanu dog, Nanu Beku dog. I can't use it. So only here your mother tongue will help you. If in Tamil, how do you use it? Enakku naai venum, mujhe kutta chahiye. Okay, so this is how I am very comfortable with these two languages. I am not so comfortable with the Telugu and Malayalam and other languages. I am really sorry. Translate to your mother tongue. So that first word that whatever you are using, for example, in Tamil it is Yanakku, in Hindi it's a mujhe, in Kannada it's nanage. Immediately what did I say? Yanakku nai, mujhe kutta. So immediately tell that dog. So for dog in Kannada it's a nai. So what is want? Veno. Chahiye is beku. Simple? So this is how you can frame the sentence. Now I want to say, I don't want dog. What is don't want in Kannada? Don't want in Kannada is beda. So instead of this place, beku, I will say nanage nayi beda. I don't want dog. Now I'll learn one more. So one more is like. Like is ishta. Enakku naai pudikam. Mujhe kutta pasand hai. Okay? So I would say the same concept. Nanage naai ishta. Always remember the pronoun will come in the beginning. Okay? Nanage naai. Here it's not a nanu naai ishta alla. It's nanage. Always whenever you want to say I want, I like, I don't want, I don't like, always use nanage, nanage, nanage. Okay? Next. Immediately I'll say I don't like. So I don't like is ishta illa. Ishta illa. So I would write nanage naai ishta illa. Okay? So now I want to say I learn one more word. It's good. Okay? Chennagide. Chennagide means it's good. It's good. So now I want to say the dog is good. The dog is nice. Okay? So my sentence would be Nai chennagide. Nai cute agide. So cute is nothing but muddu. Nai muddagide. So if you don't remember these things also, see, we have done 4 sentences now. Just using beku, beda, ishta, ishta, illa, you could create 4 sentences. Now similarly, choose a different word, okay? So even though if your word is in English, that's completely fine. Instead of a na, you can put carrot, beetroot, cucumber, chili, bhaji, bonda, pizza, burger, ice cream, biscuit, chocolate, whatever you want. And try with these things. Beku, beda, ishta, ishta, illa. Okay, so try Madi, do let me know in the comment section. You can write it and send it to me to yashasvikannadavaani@gmail.com also. Frame the sentences and be comfortable in framing the sentences. From now onwards, we'll learn every day different kind of a sentences. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends. Sharing the knowledge is very important in Makla. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all with one more video. Namaskara, dhanyawada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for the children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like Madi, share Madi, subscribe Madi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe Madkodi. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.